In this video we're going to learn how to segment out your Shopify store by niche using the Pixel Perfect app. So you can only actually do this using the Pixel Perfect app because the functionality to do that is within that particular app. So what I'm going to talk to you about now, you require the Pixel Perfect app to do that. So typically, I'll give you an example of a pet store that might have cat products, it might have dog products. Obviously in that example, people who are interested in cat products are not going to buy the dog products. Likewise, people who are dog owners are not going to buy the cat products. So we need to separate out these products so we can attach the right audiences to them. The cat people see the cat products, the dog people see the dog products. So in the Pixel Perfect app, we use tags to do that. So find the product that you want within your Shopify store. And you can see here, the tag is in the format pp underscore and then the niche. In this case, I've called it Genera, which is the name of the product. So just go ahead and drop product tags there. So it will be, say, pp underscore cat or pp underscore dog. And the benefit of doing it this way is because those products can span multiple collections. So again, using the example of a pet store, you could sell bowls, you could sell leashes, you could sell food. They would be your collections, but the dog products and the cat products would span across those collections. So you have to have a way of identifying all of those products in one go. So that's what we're going to do with the app. We're just going to drop in here tags. So pp underscore cat, pp underscore dog as the example. This one we tagged it pp underscore genera. Then you will see, if you inspect the product using the Chrome Pixel Helper tool, you will see here that two other fields appear. It says niche equals genera because that's the tag that we've just dropped on it. It's also got product type of bra. So by default, it will also include the type of product which you have identified on your store. So here product type is bra, and you can see in the pixel event corresponding we have product type is bra. So again, using the pet example, we would have niche would be cat, niche would be dog, and the product type would be a bowl, a leash, food, whatever the product type is. So you can further segment it out if we want. We can do all bowls but only cat bowls, all food but only cat food, all leashes but only cat leashes. So we can take it down 2 levels further than it would have been previously, which is just product. So if we head on over to Facebook, we're going to try and create a custom audience from that. And an important thing to realize is you will not see these fields appear until you have had traffic on your store. So customers have gone and looked at those products that are tagged by niche. Facebook has received that information. You will not see that available to you until that's happened. That can take a while. From somebody looking at that product, it can take a couple of days for Facebook to process that data. So let's say we want to make a custom audience of everybody that has added that particular niche to cart. So these products tag genera, we want to make a custom audience of people that have added that to cart. So we'll select any people, and here we're going to select from your events, it will be add to cart, but you can also select people who have viewed it or people who have purchased it, people who have initiated checkout, whatever. But we're going to select people who have added to cart in the past 30 days. Now bear in mind that it will only take data from the date where you have added that niche. So there's no point in adding to cart in the last 30 days if you've only added that niche data today, because Facebook will have only seen that niche from today onwards. However, in 30 days time, it will include the last 30 days. So in 30 days time, you'll have that niche information. But just bear that in mind, that this only takes effect from the date you add that niche information. Then we're going to further refine that, and we're going to say URL parameter, and we're going to select the parameter niche contains genera. Now we're going to use the word contains as opposed to the word equals. The reason for that is because when people add to cart, they can add multiple products to cart across different niches. One person can add many products to cart, and it could be they add a cat product, they add a dog product, whatever. So we're going to say contains to make sure that if the product event has multiple niches, we get the one we want. So add to cart contains genera. That will then give us a custom audience of people who've added that niche to cart in the last 30 days. And we can go ahead and create the audience. The next thing we want to do is to create product sets of only that product. So we're going to again head over to Facebook, and we're going to go into the catalog that we're going to use, and we're going to create a product set. So we'll say, and we use the Pixel Perfect app passes this information in custom label 4, which is not really used for anything. So all of the niche information in your product feed will be passed using custom label 4. This is a great benefit of using the Pixel Perfect app, because not only do you get the events tagged, but you also get the product feed tagged as well. So the two things marry up. Using other product feeds, you can't do that. You don't get the tagging information. You might get it in the Pixel, but not in the feed. You might get it in the feed, but not in the Pixel. Pixel Perfect, you get both. So we're going to use custom label 4, and again, it contains genera. Now I'm hoping that might find some products there. It might not. It does. Bra shorts. Let's just go with that. And that's it. Then we can create that. You can see it's tagged all of the products there. There's only 4 of them. This one. This is the same one in different color. And we'll give it a name of genera. And that is it. So now we are able to show only the cat products to people that are interested in cat, because we have a cat people audience or dog people audience or whatever you created. And we also have only the cat products created as a product set. So we can show the cat products to the cat people, the dog products to the dog people. Obviously that is way more effective and way more cost effective than showing all products to all people. So once we've done that and we've created the product set, I'm just going to discard those changes. You can hop over to Ads Manager and we can now create an advert. So I want to create a carousel ad of only the genera products, or a carousel ad of only the cat products, only the dog products. So the objective for that is catalog sales. I'm going to make sure I've got the right catalog selected because I've got a lot of them. And the one I'm looking for is Pixel Perfect for Secrets Boutique, if I can find that. Pixel Perfect catalog for Secrets Boutique. So that's the right catalog. I'm going to say OK. And once you've created your product set, you should have a drop-down list here of those sets you've created. So there's the genera one, but we could also have a cat one, a dog one, and you can create as many as you like. So when you're testing different audiences with different adverts, you can create product sets that correspond to that audience interests and make sure you're only showing the things that that audience are interested in. So if we're showing, let's say we do t-shirts and we sell Disney t-shirts, Universal t-shirts, cat t-shirts, dog t-shirts, we only want to show the Disney t-shirts to the Disney people because they're Disney fans, that's what they want to buy. So we can use this niching to create product sets of just those products. So we'll select, on this case, the genera people, and then the audience, you can use the save audience and you can use the audience that you've created. So in this case it would be the people who have added to cart in the last 30 days who viewed the genera niche. It is worth saying that the way the Pixel works is it bulks all of your data together. Everybody who's ever done everything is all bulked together. But using this method of tagging products individually and creating product sets individually, it's possible to segment that out into niches in an unlimited way using one pixel. A lot of people I'm seeing want pixel per niche, or it gets really complicated. It's not the recommended way to do it. The way to do it is to have your data bulked together and just segment that data out however you need it, because it's always there. And the theory is that if you want to go out and further segment it, if something else comes along, new audience, new niche or whatever, you can go back and you can segment that data out. So it's historic, you've got it. And also you might find that you've got overlapping audiences, sort of two niches come together, and you can combine those audiences into a single product set or a single audience, a single conversion, whatever it is you want to be. So that's how you do it using the Pixel Perfect app. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, drop us a line, support@wiredup.com, WYRED-UP.com. Or you can email me directly at tony@wiredup.com.